Hey guys, welcome back. This is Miss Rodriguez. One quick mini lesson that I want to do is two digit by one digit multiplication. So there's two ways to go about this. There's the regular algorithm, and there's nothing wrong with it. And then there's a break apart strategy. The break apart strategy is useful for those that have a hard time doing something in one giant chunk. It's just another way to break it down and look at it in smaller numbers rather than one giant number. So let's say we have the number 24, and I always start with 24, it's my favorite number. 24 times 9. So you can solve it the regular algorithm. There's nothing wrong with it. So 4 times 9. I always cover up the number I'm not looking at. 4 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. You would tuck that number in. There's 3 on this side, 6 on this side. My answer is 36. That's my 9's trick. Carry the 3. And 2 times 9 is like a double. 9 plus 9 is 18. Don't forget to add the 3. That would be 21. 216 is your answer. There's another way to solve 24 times 9 by breaking it into place value. You would break the 20 and the 24 into 20 and 4 because the value of that 2 is 20 times 9. The 9 doesn't change. And then 4, the value of that 4 in the ones is 4 times 9. So 20 times 9, cover up the 0. 2 times 9 is like a double. 9 plus 9 is 18. And then you put that 0 at the end. 4 times 9, my 9's trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, tuck it in. You have 3 on this side, 6 on this side. Be sure you line it up by place value. Drop down the 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry the 10 or the 100. 1 plus 1 is 2, 216. You get the same answer. There's just 2 separate ways to look at it. Doesn't matter to me. Whatever makes sense to you. Some people prefer to break it apart so there's smaller numbers to multiply rather than larger numbers and having to remember to add that number there. I hope this helps. I'm going to go ahead and do another example just to be safe. So how about 78 times 7. 8 times 7. My way to do 8 times 7, you can count 5, 6, 7, 8. You have your answer. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're missing that 5 and 6. Your answer is 56. So you're going to put the 6 because that's in the ones place. Carry the 5 because it's a 10. And then now you have 7 times 7 is 49 plus the 5. 49, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 546. Or break it apart, 78 times 7. Break the 7 from the 10s, so 7 tens would be 70 times 7. And then 8 in the ones, that would be 8 times 7. 7 times 7, cover up the 0. 7 times 7 is 49. Put that 0 at the end. And then 8 times 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your answer is 56. Be sure you line it up. Drop down the 6, 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry the 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. Again, you get the same answer. It all depends on what you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable with the old algorithm, just don't forget to add that number. Or if you would rather break it apart into place value and then add those 2 products that you get. Completely up to you. Again, I hope this helps, and this will help with the multiplication face-off challenge where you're multiplying three numbers and you have to multiply larger numbers such as these.